What it do, YouTube slash TrueTube. Today's video, I want to chime in with a quick impromptu video. In today's video, I want to talk about the mysterious death of the Russian billionaire who was a cryptocurrency. Actually, I said that wrong. I want to talk about the mysterious death of the cryptocurrency billionaire, right? So it was this Russian guy. He became a billionaire from trading cryptocurrency, and I think he created his own cryptocurrency. I'm not sure what the name is, and it blew up. And, he made millions and billions of dollars. And he came out and said a bunch of mysterious messages before the day he died and on the day he died, like things like the CIA is after me, they're gonna try to torture me, blah 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 blah, things of that nature. And I just found out about this story. You know what I'm saying? He died in like a helicopter crash, which is very odd. And it was another person too who died too. It was another cryptocurrency guy. I'm not sure if he was Russian as well, but yeah, two of them died. I'm not sure if it was the same day or what, but yeah, that's just crazy. And the thing is the one guy that I'm talking about. I can't pronounce his first name, but it's something V Tehran, something like that. I think he was from Russia. You know, regular guy, rags to riches. You know, and the reason why I'm touching on this is a lot of these deaths and people who are more like high profile, who move differently and who can't easily be touched, they always end up dying in like a helicopter crash or an airplane disappearance or something like that. Or suicided. He said that too. He said he could be suicided by the CIA, which is, they don't use that term anymore now. But yeah, that's what he said when he tweeted that. But he probably not up to date with it, but they don't use that terminology anymore. I guess it's because it's not socially correct or whatever. But you know what I'm saying? But they call it Arkansized. That's like the new word. I guess it's more politically correct. When like the CIA or the government, they suicide somebody that's like a high profile person, like Kobe. Rest in peace to Kobe. He got killed in a helicopter crash because he was a high profile public figure, and he moved in a helicopter. You know what I'm saying? He didn't move on the streets. He moved in a helicopter. So when he moved in a helicopter, if Kobe was to get killed in a stadium or in a shootout or like a car accident, that shit gonna look so fishy. These people know that. Kobe been flying in a helicopter damn since the beginning of his career, right? So what's more believable? Believable. Kobe got shot or Kobe died in a mysterious airplane accident. Mysterious airplane accident because he moved in the airplane. Just like the Russian billionaire. I'm not sure if he moved in the airplane or whatever, but he probably did because a lot of people who got the type of money, they like to, board jets and fly out helicopters and shit like that. Because it's more private and secluded, so they safe. But apparently, the people who were supposed to go on the flight with the dude canceled at the last minute, like they knew something. You see what I'm saying? They canceled the last minute, like they knew something. So I wonder what that's about. Oh no, it's called a setup. He was in the way, making too much money. He didn't want to sign over with the elites, with the cryptocurrency shit, because they trying to do the one world government shit with the currency. He didn't want to do that. They killed him, aka suicide, aka archicized. Real shit. It's not funny. God rest the dead. God rest all the fallen, man. Wake the damn up. More videos coming soon. Spiritual warfare at its finest.